Using various shades of pinks, purples and golds today. I've taped the page into 4 sections and then I've made like a little triangle at the top of each little 4 sections with the tape so that I can paint across without worrying about getting an exact triangular shape for the trees. You can't really see it very well here. Sometimes I just want to paint without the worry of thinking, oh, I've got to get exact lines and am I going to be able to do that? I'm a bit of a messy painter, so I'm finding it a little bit difficult to get all them straight lines. So this tape just offers that security, knowing that I'm free to do whatever I want, little patterns without the worry of getting that lovely Christmas tree shape. So just adding bands of colours and using the brush in various ways to administer the paint onto the page. So I'm just imagining these little baubles there, changing my paint again to a different pink, banding the colour across in certain places and then utilising the edge of the brush in other places. So it's quite fun to do this is. It's sort of like thinking, well, I'll change the paint and I'll do something different with the brush to see what happens really. So you're quite free to do whatever you want because your page is taped and there's not that worry that you're going to get the paint anywhere else other than where you want it. So I'm just doing these little shapes here, just the tip of the brush. I think I've got about a size 6 brush here, adding little dots here and there. They look a little bit like blancmanges or lovely little birthday cakes. Really, really cute little things. So really enjoying doing these. Continuing to build up these little pictures, just adding some more detail here and there and just utilising the brush any way I can and adding some different patterns in the negative spaces. If you just want a little bit of fun, these little pictures are ideal to do. It just feels a little bit more manageable when you've split the page into 4 or 6 or 8. You don't feel so overwhelmed that you've got to fill a whole page full of paint. With these you can just do little designs. They can be all the same or they can be completely different, but it's just a lot less overwhelming if you've just got little sections to complete. When you finish with your paint embellishments, just let your paint dry, and once it's dried, grab some pens, any pens that you've got, whether they be paint pens, gel pens, black fine liners, pencils, crayons, anything that you want to use to embellish your little trees. So I've got a gold gel pen here and just adding some little dots, some little lines, anything that pops into my head really. I'm not really thinking about it. I haven't got a plan. I just think, oh, I'll use this, I'll swap the pen, oh, I'll do this, and then I swap the pen again until these little pictures have built up. Hope you like this, hope you get to try. It's so easy to do, as you can see. Let me know in the comments how you get on. Was it okay for you? What colours did you use? Were you pleased with your results? Or did you do something completely different? I'd love to hear from you. If you like this, maybe you'd consider liking and subscribing. And as I've said earlier, if you leave a comment, I'll come back to you straight away. Okay, so just completing little details here and there, just moving from one picture to the other, not worrying about that I should complete one before moving on, just going with the flow really, just enjoying my time and sort of doodling on my little pictures. So you can either utilize these, cut them up, use them as gift tags, or you could use them for a front of a Christmas card to send somebody. Or you might just think, well, I just like them for myself and I'm just going to put them as decorations, maybe put some string on and hang them up on my Christmas tree. I think a line of white dots really does look like little twinkly lights, you know, the Christmas lights that you put up on your tree. Look really, really cute, I think. And then some little lines here and there. You didn't have to really, you know, change your patterns much to make them look different each time. Just change your pens and just go with the flow, really. So I'm utilising the edge of the masking tape and just putting lines down the Christmas tree so that when I peel away the tape, you'll be able to see a nice crisp edge to your tree. So I'm doing that on each and every tree, just down the sides and anywhere else on the boxes. And then I've heated up the tape and I'm peeling it away to reveal the lovely crisp edges on the trees. So you can see it here, all that worrying about whether you're going to get your straight edges, you don't need to worry, you just need to use tape. So I think they've turned out really well. I love the way they sparkle under the light. I think they are going to look great when I cut them up, put some little string through them. So thanks for watching and have a lovely time. Bye.